Every day, billions of dollars change hands around the world. People use them to buy food, build businesses, and create wealth.
But have you ever wondered where these dollars actually come from? What if I told you that a $100 bill is far more than just paper and ink? Hidden inside every note are advanced security features and technologies designed to protect one of the world's most trusted currencies. Behind heavily guarded doors and powerful industrial machines, ordinary materials are transformed into money. But how does it happen? And what makes a simple piece of paper worth $100? Today, we're taking you inside the fascinating process of how US dollars are made from start to finish. Then the documentary begins.
Today, we're going inside the complete process of how US dollars are made. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at money the same way again.
Money is the blood of our global economy.
Behind heavily secured vault doors, billions of dollars await distribution.
Each sheet is carefully inspected before moving to the next stage.
Let us start with the biggest lie you have ever believed. This is not paper. The $100 bill is made from 75% cotton and 25% linen, the same material as your shirt.
Because what you're holding isn't ordinary paper.
Hidden inside are advanced security features designed to protect one of the world's most trusted currencies. Impossible to copy.
Behind secured doors, every bill faces strict inspections and advanced quality control.
Every US dollar begins with a unique blend of cotton and linen, specially engineered for strength and durability.
Make sure that goes to the south stack. Copy. Watch your clearance on the left.
The raw fibers are carefully prepared before entering the production process.
Inside the facility, cotton and linen fibers are transformed into a durable pulp designed specifically for currency production.
Powerful industrial machines transform loose fibers into specialized currency paper.
Unlike ordinary paper, this material is designed to survive years of folding, handling, and circulation. To most people, it's just a face. But behind that portrait are thousands of microscopic lines, making it one of the hardest features to reproduce. Before becoming currency paper, cotton and linen fibers are mixed in massive water-filled vats, where powerful machines continuously stir the material into a uniform pulp.
The consistency is still too high over here. I'll adjust the flow rate immediately.
Deep inside the factory, cotton, linen, water, and secu materials are blended together in massive tanks, creating the unique pulp that will eventually become currency paper.
The consistency is still too thin. Increase the flow rate by 5%.
The material moves through multiple stages of refinement, ensuring every sheet meets strict government specifications.
The journey begins here, where specialized security paper is produced in enormous quantities before a single dollar can be printed.
Hidden security features are added directly into the paper, creating powerful protection against counterfeiters. Every stage is monitored closely, because even the smallest defect can compromise the quality of the final currency. As production continues, the paper is carefully formed and strengthened to withstand years of circulation. With production complete, the finished security paper is ready for the next stage, where the printing of US dollars can finally begin.
Advanced machinery maintains exact thickness and consistency throughout the production process. Specialized equipment prepares the paper for the security features that will soon be embedded within it.
Check the flow rate on gauge 3. It looks low. Copy that. Adjusting the valve now.
Regular paper comes from wood. It falls apart when wet. It tears easily. But currency paper survives a washing machine. It can be folded 4,000 times before it tears.
The smallest flaw can mean instant destruction. One small error. These features help protect the currency from counterfeiting. Now the paper is ready for one of the most important stages, printing. Special inks and advanced technologies add another layer of protection. High-speed presses apply intricate designs and security elements to every sheet. Every detail must be perfectly aligned and precisely printed. Even the smallest imperfection can result in immediate rejection. Serial numbers are added, making every note unique. While millions of dollars move through the factory, a team of specialists watches every second to make sure nothing goes wrong.
Everything running smoothly on your end?
Yes, the cuts are precise.
We're maintaining optimal speed on the new run.
Good. Ensure the watermarks are consistent across the batch.
While millions of dollars move through the factory, a team of specialists watches every second to make sure nothing goes wrong.
The microprinting on the hologram edge is slightly misaligned here.
Yes, the scanner flagged that at 9 o'clock.
After inspection, the sheets move on to the cutting stage. The newly created notes are counted and organized into bundles.
Ensure your badge is visible at all times. Proceed to Gate 3.
Automated systems inspect thousands of notes every minute.
The finished notes are securely packaged for storage and distribution.
From raw fibers to finished currency, every dollar represents precision, security, and engineering. Massive machines transform simple raw materials into something recognized across the globe. This facility represents the highest level of security, safeguarding the nation's currency supply.